DC, you all. First day of winter, supposedly. I mean, it's real out here. I mean, it's a couple of good, nice feet of snow out here. Going up towards the Renaissance little hotel. Verizon Center, you see. Old Smithsonian. Everything in this motherfucker shut down today. Ain't nothing moving, ain't nothing jumping. Got some people out here clearing or trying to clear something. Better yet, acting like they clearing something so they can get these motherfuckers. They get paid for this shit. But I'm gonna keep it real with you. Trying to clear this shit. Don't need more than what they got out there. We got us old winter jogger somewhere over there. They say that we were supposed to get this little blizzard and shit about 4 feet of snow. A little bit more, a little bit less. You know how they go. See if I can take this track up here. To this sidewalk they clearing over here. Blowers out here cleaning the streets and shit. Big smoke. Walking down 8th Street right now. Coming up on H and 8th. 8th and H rather. Y'all know it's Chinatown out here, of course. Calvary Baptist Church over here. Of course, closed. Almost everything closed around here till Sunday. Hell, some stuff closed till Monday. Blizzard came on kind of strong. Bike rack over here. Metro driving by, seeing what they people doing. From H and 8 to F and 8, as you can see, ain't nobody trying to work on this block. This block right here, done for. To the duration. Chinatown, of course. Walk over here towards the sign, see what's jumping off. Too many things are open. Everything's down. Got a couple Starbucks that's open. So snubblers out here. Everybody out here. We damn near forced to walk the middle of the street. The sidewalks get cleared. Let's go back in this direction. Of course, old FBI police, they doing their patrol. This is DC. How you fellas doing? We don't want no ISO incidents jumping off in the snow. They gotta be on alert. They still on the clock. Rain, hail, sleet, or snow. Grade A U.S. American muscle out in this motherfucker. We're gonna take old H Street down to 9th, then make old right. Yeah, they out here. Metro again, patrol. Seeing if they out here doing their jobs, clean these streets. Best as they can, anyway. Rumbar. Cuba Libre. City Center. Dorchester. Rome Palmer Alley. Fig and Olive. Treasury, United States Mint. Just one of the little offices. Like a little museum setup. Ain't been in there yet. Of course, we're at the Renaissance now. Reached the destination. There's some people out having fun in the snow. Kids probably visit.
Hey.
How y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing fine. Fine.